Welcome to the Month 1 capstone. This is the hands-on lab where everything you've learned about PC hardware finally comes together. By the end, you will have built a working computer from parts, powered it on, installed the operating system, verified every component, and practiced both an upgrade and a safe teardown. Before any part leaves its bag, get your setup right. Work on a clear, hard surface, never carpet. Wear an ESD strap clipped to bare metal on the case so static drains away instead of zapping a chip. Keep the power supply unplugged from the wall, and have your motherboard, CPU and memory manuals open beside you. Start with the heart of the machine, the CPU. Line up the gold pin 1 triangle with the matching mark on the socket, then lower the chip in with absolutely zero force and close the arm. Add a pea-sized dot of thermal paste, then mount the cooler on top so it spreads the paste and keeps the CPU cool. Next, push your memory firmly into the DIMM slots until both clips snap shut, and check the manual for which slot pairs to use. Then fit the standoffs in the case so the board never touches the metal tray and short out. Lay the I/O shield, and screw the motherboard down. Install the power supply and route its cables. Fit your M.2 solid-state drive into its slot, and mount any SATA drives. Then wire up the tiny front panel headers for the power button, reset button, and LEDs. The LED connectors are polarized, so match the plus and minus pins per the manual or the lights simply won't come on. Now connect the 24-pin main power and the 8-pin CPU power firmly. If you have a graphics card, seat it in the top PCIe slot and plug in its own power cable. Finally, manage your cables by routing them behind the tray. Tidy cables aren't just for looks, they improve airflow and make future upgrades far easier. Time for the first power on. The firmware runs POST, the power on self-test. If you hear beeps or see a diagnostic light, don't panic, reseat the memory or power. Tap the key on screen, often delete or F2, to enter UEFI. Confirm the CPU, RAM and storage are all detected, then set the boot order so your install media boots first. Boot from your Windows USB and follow the installer. Once Windows is up, prove the build works. Run System Info for a full summary of the CPU, memory, and operating system. You can also run get-cim instance against Win32 processor to confirm the chip. Finally, open Device Manager and look for any yellow warning marks, which mean a missing driver. Upgrading is straightforward. Add a second memory stick in the matching slot, or fit another M.2 or SATA drive, always powering off and unplugging first. Teardown is simply the build in reverse. Shut down, unplug from the wall, hold the power button to discharge, then remove the GPU, cables, storage, board, cooler and CPU in the opposite order, keeping your screws organized in labeled pots. Let's recap the whole month. You learned how computers work and what every part does, and today you put it into practice: a safe workspace, the build order from CPU to GPU, POST and UEFI, the operating system install, and verification with System Info and Device Manager. Your task: build a real or training PC end-to-end, install Windows, run System Info, add or move one or AM stick as a practice upgrade, confirm the new total, and write the safe teardown order in your own words. Brilliant work finishing month 1.